Today I want to go through with you how to install and use Redshift, a small application that's very helpful to adjust the screen display automatically. In particular, I noticed on 32-bit PuppyLinux, I'm going to demonstrate it on Xenialpup, but also the same thing occurs in Tahrpup 32-bit versions. The Puppy Package Manager does not work. So usual way to install an application, as you know, in PuppyLinux is using the Puppy Package Manager. And when you type in a Redshift, you get several choices, and I've tried them all pretty much, and Redshift does not work. So I want to go through with you how to install a more modern Redshift that's very easy to configure. And we'll go ahead, and the first thing we need to do is to go ahead and download a proper file. So if you go to a PuppyLinux discussion forum under the heading of Redshift GUI Lite Alternative, you should see a download, and for 32-bit PuppyLinux, what we need is this particular file, rshift-v3-tar.gz. That needs to be downloaded, and I've already done that, so we'll go ahead and I'll show you. So here is the downloaded file, and all you need to do is just click, and then it will you'll have to just expand. We want to extract it, so we want to extract it here, and for now we'll go ahead and extract to downloads a folder, root downloads, and it's already done that. What's probably a good idea is, rather than run it from the downloads, we need to put it in a permanent folder. So we'll go ahead and put it in. My preference is to put it in an OPT folder. So here's the OPT folder. What we can do is just go ahead and drag this over and grab it with the left mouse and just move it. In this case it copied it, so we'll go ahead and just delete these two files we don't need here. So once you get it in the OPT folder, all you need to do is just click it once, and then we'll take a look at here. When it launches, it should have its own small icon. So we'll go ahead and you can see that there's a Redshift, a small icon that's already started. So if you can go ahead and right click on it, you'll see several information, and then we can go ahead and just write and then we'll click the automatic mode. So now once it's smart enough to figure out where you live, and it adjusts the screen temperature, which is during the daytime 6500. As you after the sunset, it'll go to 3500. So it'll be a little warmer and a little darker. So you can see here is city is San Diego, so that's all correct. And that's basically what you have to do just to get the program started. Now you want the program automatically started on every boot. So what we can do is go ahead and put it in the startup folder here, and rather than putting a copy, what we want to do is just link it. So we'll go ahead and drag it with your left mouse, and then we'll go ahead and go down. We'll just link absolute. So in this way, this will start on every boot, so you'll automatically start. So just for demonstration purposes, I can just show you. If you go ahead and unclick the Redshift auto mode, and just to be able to show you. So we can adjust the icon to adjust automatically. So we'll close, and then we'll go ahead and click, left click this time, and then right now it's setting in the brightness setting of 100, and this is a manual. Now we're gonna just try to just decrease the brightness setting, and we'll go ahead and let's see, roughly we want to go down to about 3,000 or so, 4,000. So this is a preferred screen brightness and so on late at night when you're still working on the computer screen, and that will help you ease into sleep better. So during the daytime, however, what you want to do is maximal brightness and so on. So I think that's about it. This should work for older 32-bit PuppyLinux. Bionic Pup 32, which is a more recent version of the 32-bit PuppyLinux, out of the box with the Puppy Package Manager package works very well in my experience. But if you happen to use a Xenialpup or Tahrpup 32-bit machine, this may help you.